Agresividad por naturaleza.
This one's good. Yeah, I like to. Mother, you push me.
Juan Daniel! Juan Daniel! Little shit. This is the behavior of the rabid dog packs outside of town. Your father may have ran like that, like a wild dog. But that's no way to run with me, your Uncle Chewy, your family, who took you in when they dragged his loco ass away. You can't do those things. It's about discipline, responsibility, Danny. I'm not just talking about manners. I'm talking about manhood. You see, Sobrino, there is a time for violence, and there is a time for peace. Your father was like an untrained cock, mad with rage. He was never taught like I'm gonna teach you. Cockfighting, Sobrino. The sport of men, the rage of men, channeled into the cock, released into the arena. Where's your cojones, little man? I will have you train this cock to fight. Then and only then will you learn the true place of violence in a real man's life.
Attack. Yeah. Mira.
Danny, you trained hard, Danny. You nurtured the bird. You see, he was yours. All that care, Danny, all that love and practice gone in a matter of minutes. Now you see what a single act of violence can do. The loss is great, no?
Thank you, Tio. Can we still eat him?
Aguanta, chiquilla, aguanta. Siente a mi socio Elvin que se levanta. Te roza allá abajo y te pone sata. A ver si la bella